How to transfer Apple Pay to Cash App. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Apple Pay to Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app, just like you can see here. After that, proceed to the bottom menu where there are several different options as you can see here. From the options that are here, tap on the bank icon here. You will land on this page where you will find this page that has all these different options that you can use to navigate to different sections of the app. After that, scroll down. Please make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Finally, come to this section here named More Ways to Add Money. Under the section, there are different options as you can see here. From the options, tap this one here named Direct Deposit. After you tap on it, you will land on this page where there is some very important information that you will need to use later. Make sure you copy the routing number and account number just like you can see from the screenshot here. We will use this later. After doing that, exit the Cash App and open your Apple Pay wallet just like you can see here. From there, proceed and go to this page here where you can send money to bank accounts. Make sure you enter the routing number and account number you copied in this section here and then proceed and send the money to the account number you have entered into the Apple Pay wallet. I hope this video has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to transfer Apple Pay to Cash App.